Hi everyone, I'm Rob Bearden, CEO of Semaphore.ai. And very simply, our company enables AI agents to transform how knowledge work is done in the enterprise. We believe enterprise AI agents are the killer app of the AI era. And unlike other approaches, Semaphore agents are designed to be built and managed by business users, not just developers. And with our agents, you can describe the problem you want to solve and the outcome you want to achieve in plain English. Then our platform can help you build an agent to execute the work. You see, Semaphore agents actually do the work of automating complex workflows, and they unlock value that wasn't possible before the Semaphore agents. And if you're new to AI agents or confused by all the noise about them, that's okay, because we're going to help you understand what an AI agent is, why they're transformational, and what you can do with them in your business to drive value. And that's why we're so excited to announce that Semaphore is going to be a premier sponsor of the upcoming AI Agent Builder Summit that's hosted by theCUBE on April 16th. This is going to be an extraordinary virtual event. theCUBE will be providing you with front row access to the brightest minds in AI, and we're all gathering to discuss the future of intelligent agents. You're not going to want to miss it. And I want to formally invite you to attend both high-impact keynote sessions we have planned for the event. First, I'll be hosting a customer panel featuring several AI leaders from large enterprises like yours that are using the Semaphore platform today. We're going to be discussing their real-world experiences with AI agents, discussing the role these agents play in their enterprises and the critical lessons they've learned along the way. It's going to be an insightful conversation, and I know you'll gain valuable perspective on the document and data-driven use cases these companies have deployed. We're also proud to present another keynote session hosted by our CTO Ram Venkatesh. Ram's going to provide a comprehensive overview of how the Semaphore platform empowers business users to build and deploy powerful data-driven AI agents. And this is important because building enterprise AI agents should not be a modern art project. It should be more like a factory that produces repeatable, predictable, and scalable outcomes. And Ram will demonstrate how the Semaphore Agent Factory works and how it delivers four important benefits. The first is speed, and we'll show you how you can rapidly build and deploy agents using the Semaphore Studio and Runbooks. So there's no more rigid rules-based apps and automations, just fast, smart, and flexible AI agents that execute real work. The second thing we'll talk about is accuracy and how the Semaphore AI data intelligence synthesizes your structured and unstructured data with zero copy access to deliver more accurate outcomes than you could get from LLMs alone. And then, very importantly, we're going to talk about security and control because agents must be safe to operate. And with the Semaphore Control Room, you'll have the highest standard of enterprise security and governance plus complete lifecycle management. And this ensures that your AI agents operate securely and efficiently in your existing IT infrastructure. But repeatability is also a critical path importance. And there'll be no more reinventing the wheel with agents. You're going to build agents once and deploy them anywhere because with Semaphore you get your choice of deployment architectures, including both Snowflake and AWS inside your own VPC. So in summary, our customer panel is going to highlight the real-world use cases and the benefits our customers have experienced. And in Ram's technology session, we'll discuss our agent factory and how it enables the business user to build and deploy data-driven enterprise agents at scale in a very consistent and predictable way. And what you'll find is theCUBE's AI Agent Builder Summit is the perfect opportunity to connect with the industry leaders, learn about the latest advancements in AI, and see how Semaphore is leading the agent innovation curve. So mark your calendars for April 16th and please join us at the AI Agent Builder Summit with theCUBE. We look forward to seeing you there and sharing our vision for the future of AI agents.